What was once a dreaded chore becomes an easy activity while never leaving the comfort of your cab. Split logs the safe way with the Inverted Log Splitter by Erskine. The inverse horizontal splitter orientation makes picking up and splitting logs safe and convenient. You can split logs on the ground or elevated for easy loading. The optional 4-way wedge with a high carbon steel cutting edge breaks the log into perfect pieces. You can split logs 24 inches to 36 inches in length. With 2 splitter models and up to 25 tons of splitting force, no log is too tough. And you'll have more time in your day thanks to the 7-second average cycle time. Made in the USA, built to last. With warranty and service long after the sale. Call one of our dealers today. You'll be glad you did.